In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Ghost plugin from the Figma community to add some otherworldly effects to your design projects. Whether you're new to Figma or a seasoned pro looking to add a creative twist to your designs, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started by preparing your Figma environment for this transformation. First, you'll want to install the Ghost plugin from the Figma community. Open your Figma workspace and look for the community icon, which is typically represented by a smiley face in the top right corner. Click on it to access a treasure trove of plugins and resources created by Figma enthusiasts around the world. In the search bar, type Ghost and hit Enter. When you see the Ghost plugin in the search results, click on it to view more details and then select the Install button. This will add the plugin to your library, making it readily available for all your spooky design needs. Now that the plugin is installed, let's run it. Whenever you're ready to add some ghostly effects to your design, navigate to the top menu and click on Plugins. In the drop-down, you'll find the Ghost plugin you just installed. Select it to get started. With the plugin up and running, you can now unleash its powers on your design. You can use the Ghost plugin to create ghost-like effects or overlays on any selected layer of your design. Simply click on the layer or layers you wish to modify, and the plugin interface will present you with several options to begin altering their appearance. A significant feature of the plugin is its customization capabilities, allowing you to tweak opacity, blur, and color settings to craft the perfect ghostly effect. Adjust the opacity sliders to control how translucent your layer becomes, giving it that ethereal, otherworldly sheen. Ever fancied having a design look like it's emerging from the mist? The blur setting is your best friend here. Experiment by sliding it gradually until you've reached that perfect balance. Finally, the color customization gives you full control over the spectral hue that blankets your design. Stay with classic whites and grays, or explore other colors for a unique twist. As you apply these adjustments, keep an eye on how each change impacts the overall look and feel of your design. Move back and forth between these settings, tweaking each one until you're satisfied with the results. Embrace the iterative nature of design. Don't shy away from experimenting with combining different opacity, blur, and color levels. If you're ever unsure or want to start over, you can easily reset the settings and try again until you achieve your desired outcome. That's it! By following these steps and using the Ghost plugin, you can create captivating effects that bring your designs to life with a touch of spectral magic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and have fun with all the settings until you're comfortable with them. Stay creative and happy designing.